Alright, so what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with another video. What's up, guys? What's going on? How's everyone doing? I hope all is well to whoever's tuning in, checking me out today. And today is Memorial Day, so to all that have served and given up their lives for me to shoot this video today for you guys, I thank you guys so much. But if you're brand new, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below as we are on the journey to 10,000 subscribers. We are getting there little by little each day. You could be that subscriber to bring us that much more closer. So please feel free to subscribe. Also, you're brand new, you obviously like sneaker content, this is the channel you want to check out. Please do me a favor, hit that notification bell down below. It'll let you know every time we drop a brand new video over here. So guys, please do me that favor. But anyway, guys, like I said before, it is Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day to you, your families, to, whoever you guys, the guys who served for this country and given up their lives, like I just said, for me to be here, living free, shooting these videos for you. I thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. But we did it again, guys. We got another sneaker app W. Let's go. All right. Box right here. I'm not going to keep you guys too long because, like I said, it is Memorial Day. I want you to spend as much time with your families as possible. Enjoy your barbecues. Do what you got to do, man. But let's open up this box. If you guys have been paying attention, you probably know what this is already. But if not, you can click the link at the top of the screen. Check out that review. But then make sure you come back over here to finish up this video. And like I said, I'm not going to keep you guys so long because we already have this shoe. And I just wanted to give you guys a video for today. But here we have it, guys. Another pair of the Air Jordan 2 Union. Not in my size. It's actually in a size 10. I don't know if you guys remember, I told you guys my brother actually entered for me, hit in his size, which I do not wear. But anyway, guys, if anyone is out there and is interested in a size 10 Union, make sure you hit me up, let me know. Or we may even be able to put this into a giveaway when we hit 10,000 subs. Who knows? I got some more sneaker app W's on the way this week, guys, so make sure you stay tuned to the channel. Please, if you aren't following me on Instagram or Twitter or so you check me out. Also, guys, I know I had a lot of guys, talking to me about, those reps. Where did I get them from? They're pretty good. I was thinking about leaving the name in the description, but then that just leaves it open to whoever wants to do it, to get fake shoes and scam other people, which we do not condone over here. If I have to repeat myself, I will. We do not condone buying fake shoes and selling them as real. Over here on this channel, we do not condone that. So don't do it. But if you can't afford, just let's say, these $2,000 Travis Scott, Fragment 1s, you can't afford them, I got the plug. He sends they look just like it, got the box and everything. Also, that video, if you haven't seen, scroll down to my channel and it'll show you, because I recently just did it, the real versus fake. It's really not that bad. The comparison is really good. So, like I said, if you guys need help and you want that, I'll help you. But I'm not gonna help you scheme on other people. That's one thing I will not do. Alright, guys, I am going to get out of here because, like I said, I'm going to keep this video short. I want you guys to spend as much time with your family today. Enjoy your barbecues. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, man. But until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and we are out, guys. Peace.